Hey guys and girls, today I'm mega excited to show you one of my favourite Disney toys of all time, the remote control Everett car transporter. In this video you'll see lots of nice close-ups, a look at the 5-car container, a showcase of the real jet engine sounds, as well as plenty of exciting playtime action. Here are the pieces which come in the box. As you can see, the one-time snap assembly makes it very easy to put this plane together. The plane is approximately 8 inches high and 18 inches long. The Turbo Loft Everett car transporter has a special carry-on case which holds 5 cars. Push both latches down to open the container. As you can see, the container opens and closes very easily. The plane itself does require 4 AA batteries which are included with this playset. And the container shuts with a simple click. And here is the very easy to use remote control. The remote control requires 2 AA batteries. To activate the remote control, underneath the jet, switch the jet into the on position. Now it's time for some RC runway action. By pushing the control stick forward, the jet will move forward as if taking off. And by pulling the control stick backwards, the jet will reverse left in a circle. This plane actually tilts for takeoff. However, please note this is not a flying toy. Okay guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a suggestion, rate, favourite, subscribe and comment and all that other fantastic stuff, and we'll see you next time. Like always, for more FluffyJet, please click any of the previews on your screen right now.